Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss sets. What is the definition of set? Everybody knows natural numbers. Everybody knows natural numbers. Yes or no? Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Yes or no? Whole numbers. Whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Integers 0, positive numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. Positive integers and negative integers also. Yes or no? Yes. Rational numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers P by Q form where Q not equals to 0, like that. 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 8 by 3, and so on and so on. What is the definition of set? A well defined collection of objects is called a set. Here all digits are well defined. Collection of objects, well defined collection of objects is called a set. What is the definition of set? A well defined a well defined a well defined collection of objects is called a set. Are understand? Yes, very good. Very easy definition. Okay. Here set denoted by capital letters and numbers are enclosed within brackets like that. Or understand? Like that. And sets are denoted by capital letters. Here natural number, so capital N. Here whole numbers, this is the set, then it is denoted by W. Whole numbers, integers Z R I, rational numbers Q. Or understand? This is the set. Very important notation, set. Now we shall discuss one symbol. What is that, sir? Belongs to. Very belongs to. What is this? This is called belongs to. Okay. Here, observe here. Belongs to. Okay. 1 is the element in n. 1 is the element in n. 2 is the element in n. 3 is the element in n. 4 is the element in m. 0 is the element in w. Minus 2 is the element in z. 2 by 3 is the element in q. Here 0 is not in n. Yes or no? 0 is not in n. So what we can do? What we can use this symbol? Here 1 is the element. 1 is the element in n. What we can write? Now here mathematically what we can do? What we can write? Here 1 is the element in n, that is 1 belongs to n. 1 belongs to n. 1 belongs to n. 1 is the element in n. Meaning क्या है? Mathematically 1 belongs to n. Here 0 is there. 0 is element in n. No. So 0 is not in n. So 0 does not belongs to n. Here 1 belongs to n. Okay, one is the element in n. Mathematically, what we can write, 1 belongs to n, belongs to. Okay, or understand? For example, 0 is not in n, 0 is not in n. Yes or no? 0 is the element in z and w and rational numbers also, but 0 is not in n, so 0 does not belongs to n. 0 is the element in w, so we can write 0 belongs to n. 0 belongs to n, but 0 is not in n, 0 does not belongs to n. Or understand? Yes, very good. Here types of sets. We shall discuss now types of sets. Types of sets. Types of sets. Good. We know that automatically क्या है नेचुरल नंबर्स का क्या किया हम set of 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. You know what is the definition of set? A collection of objects well defined. ओके W क्या है 0 1 2 3 4 5 these are the sets. For example even numbers we can write A. For example even numbers क्या है 2 4 6 and so on. Odd numbers for example set B 1 3 5 and so on. You can write in more sets. You can write more sets. And cricket team and cricket teams. टीम्स क्या है ऑस्ट्रेलिया टीम हमारा भारत टीम ओके ऑस्ट्रेलिया दक्षिण अफ्रीका सम टीम्स आर देयर देन यू कैन क्रिएट द वन सेट ओके टाइप्स ऑफ सेट्स हियर टाइप्स ऑफ सेट्स में सबसे पहले क्या डिस्कस करना है रोस्टर फॉर्म वेरी इजी रोस्टर फॉर्म दिस इज द रोस्टर फॉर्म देखो n इज इक्वल्स टू सेट ऑफ 1 2 3 4 5 एंड सो ऑन दिस इज द रोस्टर फॉर्म एक्चुअली रोस्टर फॉर्म का मतलब क्या है देखो क्या है ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द सेट ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ए सेट आर लिस्टेड देखो 1 2 3 4 yes sir are listed. Yes or no? The elements are being separated. Elements are being separated. 1 is separate, 2 is separate. Elements are being separated by commas. Commas. Are understand or not? And are in enclosed within brackets. Are understand or not? This is called a roster form. Simply this is called roster form. All the elements of a set, okay, the elements are being separated or you know very good separate by commas and are enclosed by the bracket. These are the brackets is called a roster form. This is the roster form notation. This is also roster form notation. This is also roster form. This type of sets are called roster form. Next one, definition. Do you want definition? Okay. Now I am writing here. Roster form. All the elements of a set are listed the elements are being separated by commas and are enclosed within brackets. Okay, this is called a roster form. For example, you can give odd number set. A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. B is equals to, okay, even number set and odd number set. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Can give odd number set and even number set. Observe here, all elements are a set. All elements of a set are listed. Yes, list is there. Then how can we divide it? The elements are being separated by commas, yes or no, and are enclosed within the brackets is called a roster form. I understand. Now roster फॉर्म का सेट क्या है? ये इज इक्वल्स टू इवन नंबर सेट 2, 4, 6, 8 फॉर एग्जांपल 2, 4, 6, 8 एंड सो ऑन. Yes, B is equals to odd number set 1, 3, 5 and so on. Yes. So many numbers are there. How many numbers are we are also writing? So shortcut method, some property, by using some property, go for shortcut. For example, set of x such that x, this symbol is called such that this is called such that. Okay, x such that x is equal, x is an even. बस हो गया आंसर. x is an even comma x belongs to n. बस x is an even. सिंपल. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 लिखने के लिए जरूर नहीं है. क्या करना? x such that x is an even, x belongs to n. X is an even, x belongs to n. You can take n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you can take only even numbers. X is an even. X is an even means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All elements are coming. Yes or no? Yes. Here B is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 पूरा लिखने के लिए जरूर नहीं है. क्या करना? Set of x such that x is an odd. Simple. This is called a set builder form. This is roster form. This is set builder form. Observe here. This is called क्या है? 1, 3, 5. All elements are being separated by comma. So this is called a roster form. This is called set builder form. Are you understand or not? Bas. Do you want definition? Yes. Very good. Now I am writing. Set builder form. All the all the elements of a set possess all the elements of a set possess a single common property. Common possess a single, possess means contains a single common property, okay, which is not possessed, does not contain, which is not possessed by any element outside the set. All the elements of a set possess a single common property. The meaning क्या है? All elements contains only one common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set. Outside element does not come to the set. This is called a set builder form. For example, A is equals to set of vowels A, E, I, O, U. ये क्या है? सबको मालूम है, रोस्टर फॉर्म. How can you identify this? This is roster form. How can you identify? Yes, very good. All elements are listed and are being separated by commas. Yes or no? So this is the roster form. Yes. Now set builder form कैसे लिखेंगे? देखिए set builder form कैसे लिखेंगे? देखिए A is equals to X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. English alphabet letters में X only you can select vowels. Simple notation. We don't give commas. Yes or no? But simply X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. Automatically set builder form आ गया. देखो here क्या है? All letters are coming by commas, but here no letter is there. Yes or no? Other letter. Here definition देख लीजिए. Definition क्या है? All the elements of a set possess a single common property. आ गया. Automatically property क्या है इधर? X is a vowel, so automatically vowels will be come into the set. Yes or no? Yes. Which is not possessed by any element. No other element. Yes, no other element will become into the property. Will come into the set. X is vowels will become, but no other element will. Yes, no other element will be come. Yes or no? Yes, this is called set builder form. This is called roster form. Now we shall discuss more problems. Roster form. Now we shall discuss roster form problems and set builder form problems. Okay, here you can take one set, even number set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 तक only 10. Here what we can do? A is equals to set builder form. How can you write set builder form of the set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 तक only? What is this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So even numbers, X such that X is an even, x is an even and x less than 12. This is right or wrong? This is right or wrong? Yes, right. X is an even 2 4 6 8 10 12 also. No. And condition क्या है? X less than 12 below numbers. So this is the called set builder form. Here, observe here, all the elements of a set, yes or no, possess a single common property. All elements are depending on this property only. No other element will be come. First question. Second one, odd numbers. You can take odd numbers 1 3 5 7, okay, 9 11 15, yes, 13 15. But here x such that x is an odd and x less than 15 तक. Yes, बस. Next, third question. See, देख लीजिए. Here, for example, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 or 2 by 3. लिखो 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 5 by 6 and so on. Even 1 by 2 also लिखो 1 by 2. Yes, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6 and so on. And so on. जाएगा. अभी see, how can you write x such that x is equals to, here क्या है 1 2 3 4 5, मीनिंग क्या है n. yes n. here क्या है इधर 1 by 2, ये ऊपर का क्या है 1 है, नीचे का क्या है 2 है, ऊपर का 2, इधर 3. सो इधर 1 है ना, उसके ऐड करो 1, सो 2 आएगा. इधर 2 1 ऐड करो 3 आएगा. 3 1 ऐड करो 4 आएगा. 4 1 ऐड करो 5 आएगा. सो व्हाट वी हैव गेटिंग हियर x इज इक्वल्स टू n ऐड करो, सॉरी 1 ऐड करो, n प्लस 1 आएगा. n by n plus 1, n belongs to n. देखो n belongs to n means क्या है? n belongs to n means you can take any number from natural number only. n belongs to n. First we can take 1 n equals to 1, n equals to 1 by 1 plus 1 2, 1 by 2. yes, 1 by 2. next one 2 by 2 plus 1. yes, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 5, 5 by 6. Are understand or not? yes, this is called a roster form. This is called a set builder form. Are understand or not? Simply getting the answers. Okay, are understand? yes, very good.